Figma is not only used for vector graphics, but also for teamwork on projects. My name is Andre, and I publish on my channel describing complex functions of programs in simple language. FigJam is used for meetings, meetups, and so on. You can create a regular project or you can start a FigJam. Create a new FigJam file. We see a button with file options on the top left. And next to it is a timer. It will help you to limit the time of your meetings, brainstorming sessions, and so on. On the background, you can put calm music that is suitable for meetings. Below in the same window, you can conduct a vote, but it is only available for professional subscription. The next button lets you choose the look of the window. Choose a template. The next button allows you to add a comment anywhere on the board. On the right, the Share button allows you to add members to your board. You write the person's email and specify what they can do with your board. Just watch it or edit it as well. Controls are the same as in a normal design file. Move the board, clamp the mouse wheel and move. Zooming, press Ctrl and spin the wheel. Functions at the bottom of the screen. The marker lets you draw on the board. Then you can move your drawings or writing. To remove the marker, you need to press ESC. This works with any tool. The next button lets you attach a sticker to the board with a comment. You can choose the color of the sticker. Stickers can be connected to each other. You can choose the shape of the sticker connections. For example, an arrow or a circle. You can add a comment to the connection. You can attach different shapes of stickers and connect them as well. You can group different sections of your board using the following tool. You can change the color, name, and visibility of the section. Stamp lets you show reactions to objects on the board. You click on the image and put it anywhere on the board, a very handy feature for voting. If you need, for example, a sticker that is not on your list, click on the plus sign on the right. For example, you want to attach some funny sticker. Type "Let's Go" in the search and add the sticker you like to the board. Figma Jamboard will help systematize your team's ideas and help you get great results. And you subscribe to my channel and learn more useful features about simple programs.